this video, we will show you how to solve a problem on Xampp with MySQL shutdown unexpectedly. If you will try to run MySQL, its appear message a problem like this. Actually, there is many reasons that can causing the MySQL is error like this. But you can try this tutorial if this help your problem. First, you need to quit your Xampp, then go to the Xampp folder installation and go to MySQL folder. Go to data folder and then delete the ebdata1 files here, or you can move to save place. If any error, you can just restore them. In here, let's try to run again our MySQL. Now, the error has been solved in here.